Y'all wonder why I'm on this angle, but you know, I'm about to explain that. I'm gonna be putting my logo on my jacket, my denim jacket right there. I don't know, I feel like just, you know, vlogging this whole experience, feel me? I'm gonna get them printed and everything later, but this one, I feel like I wanna make more personal and, I mean, do it from my heart and put my time and effort into it. It's gonna be interesting, cause I don't know how it's gonna end up. I just got an idea in my head, and normally when ideas in my head happen, it just be, you know, sometimes I just drift away. Like, you know what I'm saying? I love y'all. Let's go. Peace. Yeah, man. So, what's good? We out here. I decided to do a little voiceover this time. You feel me? Got me in the background. Got me right there. You looking at me and all that. You feel me? ¿Cómo estás? Bien. Muy bien. ¿Y tú? Gracias. Vale. Yeah, man, you know, I don't know. I'm trying something a little different this time, man. Just do a little voiceover while I'm cutting up these cloths, man. You see right now, I'm just outlining out what I want to cut, you know. I really didn't have a outline or whatever. Like, I didn't have a plan when I was doing this. I was just like, I'm going to just do it. You feel me? Most of the things in life, I just do. And, you know, I don't really plan it. Maybe if I plan it, it'll be a little bit more in order, but anyways, I ain't playing this one. So yeah, I put the needles and everything inside, so just to keep it together, and I wanted the igual square as the otro lado. Yeah, we're gonna speak some Spanglish today. I wanted the same size square for the other side, you feel me? And I think I accomplished that. But yeah, yeah, I like this, y'all. I may do this every now and again, you feel me? I may just talk to y'all, you feel me? Talk to y'all say. It's mad early right now, but I don't care. This is the best time for me to talk to y'all. I mean, my mind is fresh. Don't have no worries of the day yet. Just talk to y'all muy claro. You feel me? Muy claro. Yeah, so right there I just cut out the W, and I'm gonna use that. The cutout, the one I cut out for one of the sides, and I'm gonna use the stencil for the other side. Now I'm cutting in 3, you feel me? The 3 is important because, you know what I mean, I'm not my dad, I'm not my granddad, so I'm not the junior, I'm not the first, I'm the third. You heard? Tercero. Willie Williams, tercero. You feel me? Mi amigos en España, sabes what I'm talking about, you heard? Hey, you know what I'm talking about, man. Willie Williams, tercero. Anyway, so you see like the form that I got. Yeah, so I put the jacket under, feel me? Trying to place everything in order. Place it nice and smooth. I keep ironing it out with my hands. You know, you see that? Like, I got soft hands. I use cocoa butter, you know? Maybe I may do a video with that later, how my cocoa butter helps my soft skin. But you know, all right. So now I changed the angle a little bit. You feel me? I had to get a little different angle. Nah, I'm not. My phone started dying, so I had to like move it down closer to where the charger was. But anyways, that's neither here or there. So yeah, I'm just gonna glue this down now. You know, at first I thought about doing the needles and like, but I didn't need to do that. You know, I just do it, man. Just put the glue on. If there's any glue in any other area, just wipe it off. You know what I mean? It's white glue on the light blue jacket. You know what I mean? It's not going to stay there. People not going to see. Feel me? But yeah, over here, I'm pressing my head in right now. Y'all didn't see me cut my head out, but that's my head shape right there. You feel me? I got a big head and I got big hair sometimes, like depending on how my hair is. So the hair is sticking out of the head. Anyways, y'all get it. Y'all see it later. So I'm doing the W right now. Feel me? How y'all doing? I don't got that much voice right now. Yesterday I was yelling. I was singing and yelling, and I don't know. I enjoy that, you know. I don't know if that's gonna help my singing career later, cause they're gonna be like, yo, you gotta take care of your voice, and I'm gonna just be like, ah. But you know, we gonna make it work. Maybe I could sing like a goat or something. All right, so now it's done. I'm gonna bring the camera over real quick. Wait, you feel me?
Yo, that's only part 1. That's only part 1. Part 2 coming soon. I gotta go eat though. See y'all later. Peace.
Okay. All right, so now we continuing. I had to leave. I had to go to practice, and I came back. My boy Kai right there in the cut. You feel me? And yeah. Now I'm just sewing stitches. Like it's already glued on, but now I just want to sew some patterns on there. You know, to make it a little bit more desirable. You feel me? I like desire. I like things that are desirable. You feel me? I don't know how to say that in Spanish, but me gusta cosas muy guay. You feel me? Me gusta todo cosas muy guay. Claro. Y como siempre, yo intentar hacer cosas muy guay. ¿Vale? More or less all the time, I like to make things that are very cool, you know. So, you know. Oh yeah, let me say one thing before this video ends. Yo, man, I'm done listening to the doubt, man. You feel the doubt gotta go. And if you listen to doubt, man, let it go, man. The video about to end, so I gotta squeeze this in. No more doubt in your life, you heard? No more doubt. No more doubt. No dudas. You heard? That's it. All right, peace. Love y'all. Peace.
So what you rocking right now, bro?
Rocking that WW3, you heard?
And who made that?
T-skirt!
Who made that joint?
You know who made that joint, right?
All right. WW3, World War 3.
Nah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Positive though, you heard? Let's get it, you heard? WW3 the video, you heard? Spot, yeah. Let's go!